distinguished members of the American Council of Engineering, fellow award winners, I cannot tell you how proud we are, coming from a very small island, having developed a vision based on our earnest feeling that our island needing a transition towards a more sustainable prosperity. We're an island that during the last couple of years have grown fast in the industry of tourism. We went from 2,000 hotel rooms to more than 8,000 hotel rooms, from 200,000 tourists to more than 1.5 million tourists. But after 25 years of growth and development, we analyzed the progress, and we also analyzed where our society has gotten with this development. And although we are very proud of the enormous development of our island, we could, when we looked very closely, see that the quality of life that we would like to have for our citizens did not keep pace with the economic development and the growth in our tourism industry. As Robert F. Kennedy once said, GDP numbers measure a lot, but sometimes misses what really counts in the life of our citizens. And in looking at the development of our country, we decided that we wanted to have a development where we would only have 5-star hotels, but also 5-star elderly homes, 5-star schools, 5-star neighborhoods, 5-star quality of life for all the citizens that live in Aruba, so they can welcome all our visitors with an open heart and with a lot of happiness. So we looked around our island and we saw many opportunities to create those 5-star facilities for our citizens, to have them also shared with those that visit us. And within all those projects, leading us to sustainable prosperity, among them, a great city renewal project in order to create public spaces for our citizens to enjoy, and also for those visiting us to embrace the happiness our residents enjoy with everything that we are changing on their behalf. And in doing so, we approached 2 engineering companies, Sam Schwartz Engineering Company in New York and Mr. Brad Reed in California, and we asked them about how they could help us and assist us in creating a very important communication within the city of Aruba and the cruise harbor. And we came up with a beautiful design of a streetcar that brings us back maybe to times when we used to have streetcars and we pulled them out, and now we're bringing them back with extra charm, with a lot of sustainable vision accompanied with the way we are designing them. This streetcar is so special because it runs on batteries, doesn't have the wires on top. It has the first hydrogen supply for energy in the world in a streetcar. And today, we can celebrate this achievement of this award from this prestigious organization, together with so many engineers building so many important things for a better quality of life for humanity. Standing here today to hear that engineers of the new World Trade Center are among the people that together with us are getting an award today, we feel very privileged. We feel that we form part of the revival of the United States. The fact that our project is connected to the 1776 stories and feet of building that will stand tall again and show that the United States and the world will survive the most climatic situations in the world because we stand for human rights and for humanity. It's a great feeling for an Aruban and for Aruba to share with the United States. So thank you for this award. We are very proud. We are very, very encouraged by everything we see in New York. We have a beautiful city, we have a beautiful country, and we would like to welcome